سوف أقوم بتقديم درس اليوم وهو مادة الدوت ميتا كاركتر. Dot meta character, and I'll give many examples about how to use it in the search engine. And as I said previously, this you don't need to know much English language for people who Arabic speaker. It's very simple English words. If you know these words, you could understand the subject. Mostly if you study engineering, you don't need that much English language to understand what's its terms. It repeats itself in a simple word. We start here by introducing the meta character, the dot meta character. This is the dot meta character. So the dot meta character, the meaning of this meta character, it's any character. The only thing it stops when if it finds a new line. That's the only thing it stops. So let's see here, for example, here this is a message, text message, yahoo.com is so and so. Now okay. So in here, the first we have to press search for dot. Dot mean any character. That mean any character here. So any character from the beginning, yeah, y is that's a character. So then it says after that any alphanumeric or underscore. So then from here alphanumeric underscore, this is not part of them, it will stop here. That's why you have Yahoo. Then second one here, there is a condition here. Find the characters, and after that character has to come COM. So find any character that after that character is COM. This is one here, COM. So find here. Here I add backslash, which escape the dot to make it as a normal dot. Is not the way it's supposed to be, like any character. So then here after that I say find any alphanumeric or underscore. So here is not any character, find only the dot. The meaning became like a character here, is no longer meaning any character. So it comes to here to the look for a dot, find it here. Then after that any alphanumeric, it's here come. Now let's say to the last message here, which is search for. Here we use it, we said any character, one or more, with quantifier. This quantifier mean one or more of any characters, one or more of any character. So it comes to here and keep searching here to here. When it will stop here, because it finds here new line, because the new line always stop the dot. So now if you come to here, we add flag, which is RE.all. This is a flag which overcome the new line. So when it finds the new line, it will take it as part of the string and it will display. As you see here, we come to is, it will find new line. So we'll come here and we'll grab all these characters until the end. So if you run it, okay, you see that in the last one here it stopped. Yahoo.com is the last one. It bring a new character here, you see it at the end, and then the line feed. line feed or new line. So okay, so that's for a dot. Let's go for something for the backslash. As I say, all these characters here, when backslash with one of these characters has only one code. Backslash by itself has one code in ASCII code table, but when it's be with one of these characters, then it has only, it together has one code. I do remember like this for me, like this backspace, form feed, line feed, correct return, tab, verticals, and the last one is here with a, which is audible, makes sound. This when you add this to a when you send this to the execute this in a string, then it made a sound, it makes a sound. So let's go here. I know this is like 10 and this is 13 in the ASCII table, the equivalent of these two numbers. I use them a lot. This they call it like terminators use them. Okay, now let's see here this okay, we have this text message and we are looking for the backslash. To look at the backslash, you have to convert the text to a row by adding R. Otherwise, it will not work. Will not compile. So what do we do here? We add R. Then this one no longer like backslash, because backslash with a character after it, it has a meaning. So, but now when you do R, became backslash by itself as a backslash without the other character. So then when you use search, R is search, you have to escape. We are looking for the backslash, but to escape it to be like looking for so looking for backslash. Now when we execute that, so it says it at 6 between 6 and 7, 6 and 7, so 0 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So we're looking for one character here. Is between 6 and 7. It means like at the 6 here and the 7 is not included. So we say like here 6 and this is the 7. Now let's print. So see, we print backslash NEQ, backslash NEQ. So that's how you find backslash in a text. Text must be raw text, otherwise will not be accepted. Another way here to find escape character using the function find. However, see, also the text has to be raw text, which means like this has the meaning of this like backslash, is not backspace. Together, this with this together, it's mean backspace. But now when you do R, became this backslash by itself. Now find, it will find the find function, find the index, to find the index for the character, for the backslash, to find the index. The index will be at 5. Then if I want to print it, so I say I put the find function inside the index of the string, then it will print the character. This is a find wording, find this one, then it will print this one. So what if I want to I want to print, I want to find boxing. Okay, I want to find the word boxing by itself and I print it. So you have to find the index, then the length. So what is what I did here? So first of all, see if it's there exists. Say find. It will return here the return where object. Then if the object is something in the object, true. If TT is true, the object is true, then do this. What it does this. This is the text. I know from here. From here I know the index. Here, this is return the index of the character P. So now I said print wondering the index. This is the index. Then I want to print from here to the end. So I said print from here. Then I have to see the length of this. The length. Use the function length to find the length of boxing plus the index of this. It will finally print that word or that string to the end. So see it print first one, it print 5 where the index of the backslash 0 1 2 3 4 5, its index is 5. So then okay, what is that 5 index? It's a backslash, print backslash. Then here same thing, I'll print boxing altogether. What I'm doing here, I have already have this text when txt skip. I have this file. It has backslash everywhere. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have 7 backslash inside this file. So 7. So I'm searching for them in here. I'm searching. What I'm saying is here with open. This is good when you open a file, because if there is any an error during opening, the error message will be displayed by itself. You don't have to write try to use try and the type of the error will be come out. What type of error you have to define. Second thing, as soon as you exit, you go out of the scope of this function, which is here. You go out of the scope of this function. The file will be closed. So it's two benefit for this. You don't need to check for error, and you don't need to close the file. So what I'm doing here, I say open the file, skip is the name of the file, open it as read for reading as if. That's the object. So from this it return an object. Then from that object I use the function. There is so many functions. The function read line, there is read, and there is read lines. So it's many functions. So I used, it's better always to read line by line, because if I use the word read, it will read all the text. But this here is it will read only one line. So then it will return. If there is no line, will be here null. So then I need to count how many. Then you say while if something in line here returns something which is supposed to be here true, then what I'm doing here, I already have here red line. I'm doing here format that line. For that line, I'm making that line as row, because there is, as I say, there is inside the file I'm reading, there is a backslash, Now I'm trying to I'm here converting the backslash to the backslash, no longer like has a meaning. It has no meaning, only like backslash, not meta characters. The second thing here, that line, the first line, when I take the first line, then here is a strip. I want to get rid of the line feed at the end of that line. Then at the end I have this now line here with no new line at the end of that, and the text already raw text. Now I say search for in that line for the backslash. So then if there is something backslash for that line, count it, add the counter 1, then print that line, and then read again. Now if there is something here, we'll go back to the while loop, and then by the end of that, if there is nothing left, we'll print the count. So as I said, the text I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7, and each time here will print. Okay. See, it print the backslash, the count is 7, and print each time here, and each time here in the code it says as soon as you finish that line, it print that line. That's why I print this line. See, it print the line with the backslash inside that line. Okay, exactly as it is. Exactly. So, and that the last line is how many backslash if you found in the text file.